tired. Like, I'm ready to stop, and I wish I was like magic and I could just, and it'd be done, but whatever. Welcome back. So the official time is 12:55 and it's June 30th, I believe. All I know is that it's Sunday, so anyway, I leave in a week, officially a week for college. And I wanted to go ahead and do this video. I really don't know how, so y'all today. And I have been trying to get my clothes together for the longest. I pretty much like have all of my stuff together, but I still have to go through it, make sure everything I need is like in there, because I don't want to get to college and then not have my stuff. But so I'm packing clothes, my food. I still have to go grocery shopping, and I feel like I am missing something. Like, have y'all ever packed and just feel like something is not there that you know you're gonna need? So I'm going to be checking my list 8,000 times, no Santa Claus, because I do not want to be one of those people. So I don't know if this will be all in one video or if I'm just gonna make like different parts of packing, because I doubt I'm gonna finish this all today, and I really want to like vlog my whole college experience. So we're just gonna start with this and we're gonna see how it goes. So I'm gonna show y'all what I have so far like packed up and what's in what pile and what I'm taking with me. So ignore the bag of spike chips, but I'm taking those with me. And then I have like different snacks, and then this box is full of stuff. Then I have some stuff in this Target bag, and then over here is like all of my stuff for the fall that I don't know if I'm taking with me for the summer. So we'll have to see what I want. And then I'm still taking, like, I'm taking that, but it's on my wall now. And then I'm taking this little black organizer thing. And then I'm probably taking my over the door thing. I don't know yet. So when I said that pile over back here, that I didn't know if I was taking it because for the fall, because if you guys watched my dorm haul video, if not, I'll put the little, I think it's over here, I don't know. You should definitely go watch it. Link will also be down in the description. But I mentioned that I was going to move in twice, once for the summer and once for the fall, because my summer program, it doesn't like all connect. I'll come home for like 2 weeks and then I'll have the opportunity to go back. But I don't know if I'm going to be in the same dorm or not. And I didn't want to lug all that stuff in, get to decorate it, and then just have to take it all down after 6 weeks. So, but I'm still waiting to hear back from my school. They haven't let me know if I'm going to stay in the same dorm or not, which, I mean, I really don't care. But, like, can you hurry up and let me know something? One of the main things that I'm, like, been stressing about is we have to have professional attire in this program that I'm doing, because they're trying to get us, they're trying to teach us how pretty much to become an adult. And they're going to take us on certain field trips where we have to dress professional and stuff. So I don't have a lot of professional outfits. I was more focused on the bottoms, and I don't have a lot of tops. So I might have to run to the thrift store. Yeah, definitely the thrift store. Who's paying full price? I'm not. Nope. With a passion. I'm tired. Like, I'm ready to stop, and I wish I was like magic and I could just, and it'd be done, but whatever.
So I need to make sure I take like this and cut it in half, because I'm taking all of my t-shirts, and what's sad is I can't find any of my like Nike shorts. Man, I don't know if I'm taking any of these type shirts because I doubt I'd need them. And since I'm going to school in the country and it's summer, I do not need any kind of jacket or hoodie right now. I might take a light jacket, it might rain, I don't know. And then all of my shoes in here, I might want to take So, and then we have all of these up here. So
We're having fun. We're getting stuff done today. Period. Hi, channel. It's me, sister. But you doing this all on the camera? Yeah. Well, like, it'll be sped up, but if you're in the Prairie View, Arlington, Fort Worth area, hit me up for your hair needs. Yeah. All right. How'd you get here? A white car? In this box, I have like all of my toiletries and stuff. This is just a little checklist and my schedule I wrote down. And so I got like my makeup wipes, my little loofahs, razors, face wash, all that good stuff in here. But I have to go through it, make sure everything is in here, and then we will be good to set this in the dump thing. We have chips, juice, chips, drinks, and yeah, that's all I have in here. And I have to go get more.
I got him on ice within. I watch the ice get thin. Is he gon' sink or swim? I told him no, baby, yeah. Then he gon' play me again. I said I'm not saying. You know I'm too grown for this hate. Look who I'm stuck with again. I got him on ice within. I watch the ice get so thin, yeah. Is he gonna sink or swim? Yeah. And then he gon' play it again. Not staying down. You know I'm too grown for this. I want $1 sign. I say this all the time. Jesus is steady, so don't make me say it. You better just fall in line. Supermodel chick, supermodel thick. Crazy that I do love and got a supermodel slick. That's just bigger than you. Gotta be bulletproof. My mouth get me in trouble, but I bet you knew that too. Supermodel chick, supermodel thick. You believe God. Yeah. Look who I'm stuck with again. I got him on ice within. I watch the ice get thin. Is it gon' sink or swim? Yeah.
I put everything that you said is going.
So now that I'm officially all packed up, I guess we're gonna go ahead and stop this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you wanted to see more of like actually what I'm taking with me to college, the dorm haul video will be linked down below, so make sure you check that out. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe this video. We'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.